咁呢度係好似砂糖咁樣嘅。咁如果大家睇到咧，3塊呢度就有一塊啊。嗱，正宗嘅呢個位，即係嗰啲呢個位正宗嚇，呢個位正宗嘅。因為我哋都喺香港成日做呢種咁嘅燈盤㗎啦，一定要擺正宗嚇。呢個就係喺呢個聽效果。做小手術嘅喺度咧，就開個窿。咁呢個窿咧，將來咧係會擺得翻落去，可以打磨翻。咁啊，希望做到咧，因為呢度租樓咧，咁我哋唔想話破壞得太多，最緊係可以還原。我哋做咩都要諗住幾年後，因為呢啲客咧，我哋跟咗10幾年咧，佢哋每租一個地方走嘅時候咧，交到樓俾業主嘅。唔需要俾人扣嗰啲叫做按金啊。
繼續咩
Not too much light, too much light. Up to you. Just make sure.
嗱，做啲燈最緊要就係嗰個燈盤同嗰個燈座咧，要做貼服啦，唔好有罅，同埋一定要正宗㗎，因為唔正宗咧就會好肉酸㗎。除咗穩陣咧，其實外觀都好緊要嘅。如果你分唔得正宗喺嗰個盤嗰度咧，好肉酸㗎啦。They can reuse that recover.
Oh, that's
Because they just rent the apartment. We can't break it. We have to make sure when we take after a few years, when they stop rent here, we can put this one back, polish, sand.
I see. I see. What you
So we are not just broken.
We are not a demolition team just breaking everything and then making a hole.
So you keep the pot
Yeah.
like spare like somewhere and they
For
can reuse.
recover. Otherwise, they will lose the money about deposit. 我唔想呢個跌落會爛噶嘛。嗱，我隻手咧要 hold 住入邊㗎。
She mentioned the wires are live, I think.
Do we have to turn off the LCD or what do you think?
要咁樣啊。好啦，上晒螺絲之後咧，點樣去退場咧？係咪要咁樣？咁樣啊？
係，依家咪退場。
等下先。
拆咗嗰個批，
都
係咪嗰窿大嘅之前？
要咁樣。個電池唔得。
個電池拆翻，擺翻入去，跟住再拆翻，拆咗。使唔使我嚟？我擺翻嚟再拆翻。
等下先嚇，我應該係等下先。哇！
Now that is finished, we're having a big difficulty
Wow.
taking it back.
隻手
Oh, I see.
如果太麻煩，你可以成個塞翻入去，跟住拆咗個電池先慢慢再拎翻出嚟。
塞翻去，
塞翻去，跟住拆咗個電池。
跟住插電池。
係，
單手，
佢兩隻手插落個電池。
兩隻手，
咁單手啦，單手先。
兩隻手 ，OK。
你插完電池
兩隻手，跟住，哇！哦，得，我明你意思啊，咁樣係嘛？
係插完之後咧，上咗嚟，放咗喺側邊嚟。
翻唔到嚟㗎嘛？哇
點
？OK，好 ，and then，跟住應該得啦。
係。上到翻。
哇！我真係人生第2次咁樣轉窿。
You see,
上次係過一條
40 years in this life.
電腦
second time in this life.
Cat6 線咧，喺上面轉一個過牆窿喺條震嗰度。
It's unbelievable.
You say 45, this is the second time in this life.
哦，哇！好彩真係爭啲喎，長啲都唔得喎。
係啊，冇錯。
真係要咁短先得喎，翻嚟紫色嗰啲都唔得喎。
咁啊，
哇！所以有時啲工具短咧，有時我哋真係要咁樣做嘢，因為客人就好唔想除呢個罐出嚟，都唔想開大窿。咁嗱，雖然隻手傷咗，我哋下次要帶啲保護啦。咁點樣好啦？而家就攞嚟啊！第一個買喺嗰度啦，呢度第一個。咁另外第2個咧就喺呢度啦，插晒入去㗎啦。咁亦都收埋螺絲呢啲位，全部收螺絲嘅，收4粒以上。跟住咧呢度咧就落扣啦，扣嗰啲絲桿啊。OK， 搞掂。咁2條分散咗每個15 kg OK 啦，而家。哦，得好。 哦，得。
Okay, finish.